Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play SnowRunner on PC. First, ensure your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements for the best experience. You can then purchase and download SnowRunner from popular digital storefronts such as the Epic Games Store or Steam. The installation process is straightforward, usually requiring around 20 gigabytes of available storage space on your hard drive. Once installed, you are ready to launch the game and begin your off-road adventure. Navigating the rugged landscapes of SnowRunner requires understanding its core PC controls. You will primarily use the W, A, S, D keys to control your vehicle's acceleration, braking, and steering. For tougher spots, remember to engage four-wheel drive by pressing the E key, which significantly boosts your traction. Additionally, the Q key activates the differential lock, ensuring power is distributed equally to all wheels, helping you conquer even the most treacherous obstacles. Mastering these basics is key to success. To truly master SnowRunner, you will need to employ some advanced techniques. The winch, activated with the F key, is your best friend for recovering stuck vehicles or helping others. Always take time to plan your routes, carefully considering the terrain and potential hazards like deep mud or steep inclines. Remember to visit the garage to upgrade your trucks with improved tires, more powerful engines, and robust suspensions. These enhancements are crucial for tackling the game's most demanding contracts and environments. SnowRunner offers more than just solo adventures. You can also team up with friends in cooperative multiplayer mode to complete challenging missions together. Beyond that, the game boasts a vibrant modding community. You can explore and install a vast array of community-created modifications, adding new vehicles, expansive maps, and unique gameplay features. Accessing these mods is simple through the in-game mod browser, allowing you to easily customize and expand your SnowRunner experience. Dive in and discover endless possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.